Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have come up with one more logic building problem, that is removing duplicates in a string. So the problem is you will be given single line of text as input and you are supposed to remove all duplicate words in the given string by ignoring the case, and then you need to return the string in the given order only. That means you cannot alter the words positions. Only thing is you just need to remove the duplicate words by ignoring the case. So this is what the problem is. Here you can understand it from the example. Here you can see the input: Peter picked Piper and Peter was happy to have the Piper. In this, the first word Peter and the fifth word Peter are same, but the case is different. Likewise, the third word Piper and the last word Piper is also same, but with case different. But you need to ignore this case while comparing, and then you just need to keep the first occurred word and ignore the other one. You need to keep the first occurred word and ignore the other one, and then you need to return the string by removing such duplicate words, and this is what the output. So here you can see that this second Peter is ignored and the last Piper is ignored, and then we are returning the output as Peter picked Piper and was happy to have the. So like this you just need to return the string by removing the duplicates in the original string. It's very simple problem. I'm going to show my solution using Java and Python for the same problem. So this is my Java solution for removing duplicates in the string. Let me quickly run through the test case. So here I am running the test case. So there you can see the output by removing the duplicate words Peter and Piper. And if you observe, in the selected line also there are no additional spaces. So coming to the code, you are going to start writing from line 7, because we are not going to read any input in the placement exam. So what I am doing is, whatever the given single line of text is there, first I am splitting that single line of text into words. So that's what this S array is used here, and result is an empty string. And then I am running this for loop as long as the S array exhaust. That means as long as we have words in the S array. And since we need to ignore the case while checking for its existence in the resultant string, I am using this particular statement. So if result dot true lowercase dot contains s of I dot to lowercase, because I am supposed to ignore the case while checking if that particular word is already added to the resultant string. If it is already added, then I am just asking it to continue, because I am not interested to once again consider it. If it's not there, then I am adding it to the resultant string. Since I am supposed to include a space, I have appended this particular space, but by just doing this space appending, then my very first will start with a space. So for that reason only, here I am displaying with the trim method. I am displaying with trim method because this trim will remove the leading and trailing spaces, that is in the beginning and ending. That is why I'm using the trim method. So even you can use this space addition after this S of I also, but still you have to use the trim method. So if I'm adding this space here, then my string starts with a space. If you add this space after S of I, my string ends with a space. That's why it's must to use the trim method, because to remove the either beginning or ending space. So in the placement exam, you are just going to replace this system.out.print by return statement. I have already executed this in the Metal platform and I got this work for all the test cases. So it's very simple problem. Now let me quickly show my Python code also. So this is my Python code as well. Let me quickly run through the same example. So I'm giving this, and there you can see the string that I have removed the duplicate words. Now if I select the output, you can see that there are no leading and trailing spaces. I mean, there are no extra spaces in the beginning or ending. So again, I'm using the same logic here, including the variables. So the first line you can ignore in the placement exam, because you are not going to read any input, as I said. So second line onwards, you are going to write it in the placement exam. So S equal to input dot split. So I'm extracting all the words from the given line of text, and then result I am initializing to empty, and then I'm running this particular for loop as long as the length of S, and then here we have a method called casefold. So I'm just using this inbuilt casefold method to compare each and every word in S whether it is existing in the result or not. So that's why I'm using on either side's casefold method. And in is the membership operator in Python that is used to return true if it exists. Otherwise it returns false. So if this particular S of I with the casefold is existing in result with casefold, then I'm asking it to continue. Otherwise I'm just adding the space and the word. So like in Java how we have trim method, here in Python we have this strip method. So the purpose is same, only the name different. So strip will be removing the leading and trailing spaces. So using this I am removing the beginning space that I am adding here. So I hope this problem is understood. You can check out for other logic building problems in the description box. I'll come up with one more logic building problem in my next video. Thanks for watching.